Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make donkey in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is earth plus water. Right here, we're gonna add that, and then we need plant. So we'll need go and add wind into that right here. And after that, you would need water plus water right here, and then you want to go for dandelion and dandelion right here. So you'd have a patch, and then you want to add this to up right here, and now we have a duck. And then you would need to add water into the duck so that you would have a duckling, and then we need earth plus wind right here, and then a duck plus duckling. So we're gonna add duck into this one right here, and now we have family. And then the next thing is we need dust plus plant right here. So we need the dust and then the plant to create pollen right here, and then we need earth plus family, so we're gonna add earth into this one right here. And then the next thing is we need dust plus pollen, so we're gonna combine these two and we'll have allergy, and then allergy plus form, and then we would have hay. And then the next thing is dust plus lake, and then after that is hay plus plant, so we're gonna go and add this right here. And then the next thing is horse plus mud, and now it would be donkey. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.